In the following video, we will look at the cooling section within expert mode of FlashPrint. For the purpose of this video, we will look primarily at an IDEX printer, the Creator Pro 3, which has the ability to control the cooling fan speeds, as well as having a back fan on the enclosure. Not all FlashForge printers will have the same options, however, they will all have the same core settings and work in the same way. Our first settings allow us to set a decelerate or delay for a pre-selected area. This allows the layers to cool enough before printing the next layer. The first option is for deceleration. When the printed area of a layer is below this amount, printing will be slowed down. It is the same principle for the next setting, delay area threshold. Except instead of slowing down the printer, it will delay the start of the next layer by the time specified below. If the threshold amount is set to 0, this feature is turned off. Beneath this, we can start to adjust our cooling fans. As the settings are the same for both left and right fans, we will only look at the right fan settings. On non-IDEX printers, this setting will just refer to the cooling fan. The first option lets us control when the fan will be in use. Always on, always off, on when first layer is printed, and on while printing raft top. After that, we can change the fan speed percentage. Some filaments do not require as much cooling, and reducing this figure can assist with the finished quality of our print. At this point, we can use the checkbox to enable control lists for the fan. Control lists let us select fan speeds for particular parts of the print. To add a control, we select the checkbox, click the button with the plus icon below, then enter the details for our control in the dialog window that appears, our start layer, end layer, fan speed, and click OK. To remove a control, we select it from the list, then click the small trash can icon below it. Finally, on printers with a back fan fitted, we can turn it on or off with this setting and also adjust the fan speed below. Some FlashForge printers do not support variable fan speeds, so the ability to control lists or adjust the fan speed will be missing from this section of the slicer window.